Hi everybody. I thought I would talk to you a little bit about cream contour because that seems to be the thing that most people are afraid of when it comes to Seint makeup. And it's really easy, it's foolproof, you can't mess it up. If you do, it's so easy to just wipe it off. So it's, I don't know, 9 o'clock at night, I've been wearing my makeup all day, but I wiped down my face so I won't have any contour on, and I'm going to show you a couple different things that I do with my contour, and hopefully you'll see how easy it is and how versatile it is. So I have my little palette from Seint, and I have a bigger palette with like all my choices in there, but when I'm going out or something, I like to pop this in my purse just with a lip and cheek color. But I've got the color Astoria in here. And I'm first going to use it as a brow filler. So dipping a brow brush in there, and please bear with me, I'm still getting used to doing makeup on camera, and very likely I might mess it up. So most of the time, the contour that's good for your face will also be really good for your brows, just perfect. And if not, we have lots of colors. We also have some eyeshadows that make good brow color. But what I really like about using contour as my brow color is because of the texture, it's almost like a brow wax. So my brow hairs are kind of the long silky type, and they move around a lot, and this holds them in place nicely. So I really like this for my brows. I haven't really been using my old pencils that I was using before. And then another thing that I can do with this is use it to create a contour for my eye. So I have a neutral color on, but I need a little more definition here. And this cream contour is just so easy to use. So I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush, the pencil brush end, and just dip it in there. And I'll just kind of dot it here just to make sure I don't make too much of a mess. And then I'm going to go back and forth. And I want to keep my eye open so I can see how it's going to look with my eyes open. And you can see that, I have a little too much right here, but I'll turn the other end over and just watch how easily that blends out. And I like that better. I like a little warmth here. I have a deep set eyes, so I have a lot of skin here, and I don't like that to be highlighted. I feel like it takes away from my eyes and highlights my skin. So I like to keep that a little bit darker. So hopefully, I'm not sure with these lights, hopefully you can see that subtle difference. There's more light on this side of the room, so I think you can see a little bit better. And it's a good idea when you're mature to kind of hold down your skin so it doesn't move too much. Yeah, I think you can see better on this side. And I really love these brushes. So hopefully you see that. It's super easy. And another thing you can do, and I'll just use the same brush, is you can contour your nose. And you don't have to. If your nose is fine, don't bother. I don't normally bother. I'll try just the tip, see what happens if I do only, well, I'll show you the whole thing. So you can kind of do the tip and connect it. And then you want to do 2 lines down the front of the bridge of your nose. And I like to do this very subtly because I don't want to have any obvious contour. And then you're gonna need to put your brightening shade right down the middle of that. So I'm just gonna blend with my finger Not sure if you'll get the idea without that brightening shade in there. Maybe I'll go get it when I'm done, but it's not convenient right now. So that's that idea. Next thing is cheekbones, and this one's super easy and it really makes a big difference. So I'm just gonna, you can use a brush or you can use your finger. You're gonna draw under your cheekbone from your ear to about the outer corner of your eye. If you're younger and you want to take that all the way down your cheekbone, or if you have a more full face, feel free. In my case, I keep it kind of short because if I go all the way to down to my mouth here, I'll look gaunt. I've already lost some volume in my face just because of age, so I don't want to make it look any more gaunt. And by the way, if you scroll through my videos, I have a nice face yoga exercise that adds volume to cheeks. So it's the one where you puff out your cheeks. So look for that. So I just put that under my cheekbone. Maybe you can see already. And you can just feel your way through this. It's not hard. The first couple times you do it, you might put it in the wrong place. And then you need to blend it out. So I'm using the detail hack brush and just kind of pouncing in an upward motion. And of course, I need some blush on that to get the full effect, but hopefully you can see that my cheekbones are a little more sculpted and lifted. Next thing you can do is put it under your jaw to define your jaw. I'll use my hand on that side. I'll use a brush on this side. And either way, even if you put it on with your finger, you want to blend with a brush. You do not want to leave a line under there. And go down your neck, take it down there. And I like to put a little bit on the tip of mine because I have kind of a long chin. And then that reminds me, of course, forehead. So I saw a Wayne Goss video and he said if you can put 4 fingers on your forehead, you definitely need to contour. And if you can put 3, you probably want to. If you can only get 2 fingers, don't bother. So that's his rule anyway. Of course, we can all do exactly what we want. So contour just goes right across the top of your head, just however much you'd like to sort of give the illusion of shortening. And I like to be real careful to blend out the edges. I don't want to see a line. And this also helps to brighten up the center of your forehead. And if the center of your forehead and your eyes are bright, you get more attention right there on your eyes. So that's where we want people to look. So that's it. Hopefully you see a difference. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to color match, just send me a message and a photo of you without makeup standing in front of a window with light on your face, and I'll be happy to help you. All right, have a good night. Bye-bye.